Alright, so I kept saying I was going to teach and help you guys that I can actually, in fact, put this into words. So if you have ever wanted to make a ward and or a servitor, you're going to want to save this video. If this video would stop fucking lagging because TikTok sucks right now. This is just how I do it. If you have any alterations, congratulations, yes you do. But until then, don't tell me that what I'm about to say is incorrect because I could care fucking less. Okay. You're going to go to your local Dollar General, alright? The entire time, or when you get to your Dollar General, you're going to ask your spirits and your guides to help guide you to the statue and or the thing that you would like to turn into a ward. For this particular video, we're going to use Mr. Nomi here. Okay, this is my grandmother's gnome because I purchased it for her. Now, say you walk up to this gnome, okay? This is the first thing you're going to do. You're going to purchase the gnome, and they're only like, I think, $1 or $2, not the point. Then, after you purchase it, you are going to name it. Here's the important part. You do not tell anybody that name. You can come up with a nickname, but the original name that you're naming it, do not tell anybody. So on your way home, if you can, hold it, tell it its name, and basically set the intentions of, hey, you were just adopted, and now you're going to become a little bodyguard, a ward, if you Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go home, you're going to get a piece of paper. You're going to write his name on said piece of paper. I use fire in most of my magic because it is creation, it is destruction and creation, okay? So you're going to set that piece of paper on fire, put it in a safe burning dish, okay? You're going to let them completely cool. You can either use oil for this or some type of magical water. You're going to add a single drop to that ash and then you're going to rub it all over the statue. If the statue is hollow, stick that shit in there. Yes, you can add multiple protective herbs to that. That's just an extra. And then you're going to put this wherever the hell you want to put it, and voila, there is just a simple ward, okay? Now, when you put it in its place, you're going to tell it that it protects everything that it can see in a 360 point of view. Now, if you would like to add a servitor to this, you are going to go through the single steps that I mentioned. But before you put this anywhere, in the process of you naming this, a servitor is something that you can create on an energetic thing that normally has a single purpose. You can tweak it to where it can have multiple purposes depending on how you tweak it. Anyways, that can be anything, okay? You can draw something out of your mind or you can literally go and find some creepy shit online and print it out. Now, you're going to get that piece of paper and you're going to put it up under this. You're going to talk to the picture of the servitor and basically tell it its job, saying, hey, you're going to live alongside this little dude, and if somebody tries to fuck around and find out, you're going to pounce on their ass. You're going to then burn the paper, okay, and repeat the process. Coat that shit in there. Let it dry. Voila. Now, you can add slightly more to that with transmutation magic, and I would suggest using a type of sigil. Transmutation is you're taking one energy and you're transmuting it to another, as in, most of the time, it's a positive into a negative or a negative into a positive. There's a lot of shit you can do with that. Congratulations. Make sure you save this video and let me know in the comments if it worked.